For many, at this time of year, it's simply a case of blowing the dust off the van and heading off. But there are a few small maintenance tips that you can follow to ensure a happy holiday.
Hi, I'm David Moore. I'm the service manager here at Brisbane Camperland Service.
What are some of the things that people need to be aware of when they're dusting the van off, heading off on their annual leave?
Well, look, some people haven't used their van for a little while, so it's important to check things like your tyres, tyre pressures, checking those wheel nuts, making sure they're nice and tight, testing your appliances, make sure everything's still working and everything is still as it was from the last time you used it.
I guess there's an old saying, use it or lose it, isn't there? And that applies to things like caravans.
That's right, yes, absolutely.
So if you haven't been running pumps and checking solar and all those types of things.
That's right, yes. Something could have failed without warning. You don't want to turn up on your holiday and then have it be spoiled because something's not working.
For sure, there'd be nothing worse than turning up at the caravan park by the beach and realising that you've got no water or power.
Exactly right.
Yeah. So if you can sort of give you guys a call, you can give it the old
Absolutely, we're here to help. Give us a call, we'll help anytime.
Fantastic.